It's so cold.
Why, oh 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 why, why, oh 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 why.
Overnight oats have become our favorite breakfast on gym days. Our usual go-to is simple and comforting: oats, chia seeds, milk, yogurt, walnuts, and apple. But every now and then, it's nice to switch things up. So tonight, I'm making cacao overnight oats. First, a layer of creamy chocolate oats and a layer of chia yogurt mixture. I keep repeating the layers, slowly filling the container like I'm building a dessert just for tomorrow morning.
But the military won't be in at all.
Our gym is so close to home, which means even a snowstorm cannot cancel our routine. Winter takes me longer time to warm up the body, but skipping is not an option. Jay is training his back today, and I'm focusing on glutes and legs. I start with the glute dry machine, then Romanian deadlifts, followed by cable kickbacks. I'm trying to slow everything down and focus on control instead of heavy weights. I stopped doing leg press for a while, but I have brought it back after realizing my thigh strength wasn't where it used to be. To finish our workout, we walk like 10-15 minutes on the treadmill just like usual. Outside, the snowstorm has turned the city into black and white. Everything is covered in a thick blanket of snow I could probably disappear into if I jumped.
Oh my god, I didn't have my boot. So much snow. We just
just got out from the gym. So we didn't even have to do lava paste. I kind of want it. I don't know what to use with it yet. Oh, it's so cold. The forecast says it will keep snowing until later afternoon. It feels like the whole world has been hushed. Yeah, I don't know how it can happen. Because of the cold, we have been spending lots of time indoors lately. The library has become our favorite escape, a place to work, think, and just be somewhere different from home. This week have been freezing, with Ontario deep in a polar vortex. Most days have been below minus 20 Celsius degrees. But even that cannot stop us from stepping out for a cup of warm coffee. Sometimes that small comfort is all we need.